learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Sanyi Township in Miaoli County is famous for its wood carvings, and approximately 94% of its residents are of Hakka descent. One of Sanyi's biggest Hakka events is the Yunhuolong Festival, which celebrates the Yunhuo dragon. This year, the festival is celebrating its 8th year. Back in the day, after the autumn harvest, Hakka people would use straw rope, rice straw, and bamboo to weave a caolong or grass dragon. After filling the body with incense sticks, they call it a Shanghuo dragon and place the dragon at important intersections to pray for peace and drive away any evil spirits.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for a talk about Hakka on Icrt.Hello,
大家好，我是阿炳哥 Leo.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And Leo is here, and so I think it's time for him to take us to different events around the island. I know he's from Miaoli. He likes to take us to Miaoli a lot. I wonder if we're going to Miaoli again.
没有了，怎么可以这样讲呢？对不对？
是啊，那今天你要带我们去哪里？
好，我们还是去苗栗。
你看，听说这个客家12大节庆啊，在农历4月就有一桩啊。
其实农历4月哦，有还蛮多的活动，
蛮多的，是不是？
但是呢，我先考考你的地理观念好不好
？OK。
雕刻懂有名的是哪个地方？
Okay, that's wood carvings or carvings. What city is most known for its wood carvings? 这简单啊，三义啊。
答对了，三义哈，最近就有一个蛮有名的一个活动
，OK，
就叫做运火龙节。
运火龙节。So literally, it's the Cloud Fire Dragon Festival. OK, 云火龙节，这一定是在地上的一个节庆了。
对啊，这龙哈，它是用那个稻草，用火棍去扎成的。
OK，
然后它在云火龙节的时候呢，它就会在那个龙的身上插香啊，有香就一定有烟嘛。
这个烟就好像是云了嘛，
对
不对？然后又有火的感觉。
哦
All right, the reason it's called the Cloud Fire Dragon is because this festival takes place in Miaoli and Sanyi Township, actually.And they use straws and rice straws to create this dragon. And people would stick incense on top of it, and the incense would be burning. So in a way, it looks like a dragon is floating on top of the clouds while you're burning the incense. And this is going to bring a lot of good luck to the people who go there to do the bye-bye, of course, right? Again, it's called the 云火龙节.
运火龙节.
云火龙节. Go check it out. Miaoli is beautiful, and especially at this time of the year, there's so many other things to do. Have fun with it, and that does for today's talk about Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张磊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.